Merab Dvalishvili will participate in another title fight. And this time he'll square off against Petroyan. And no, Merab is just extremely dominant and he likes long wars. He's constantly pressuring. So I'm very confident in over 2.5 for that fight. Merab will probably go for takedowns. He will try to keep Petroyan busy. And as soon as Petroyan gets up, he'll probably do the same. He'll probably take him down, and then we're going to watch Petroyan working his way back on his feet. The two already fought once, and I think the rematch isn't going to be much of a different. This tremendous fight out of Omsk, Russia is good, but I think we are going to see the reprise of their first fight, and I'm saying Merab to win, but official prediction over 2.5.